Hey, what's up guys, Ryan Rig here, Fast Electronic Lounge. Today we're taking a look at the brand new $329 iPad. This is the 6th generation iPad. Does look very familiar with previous generations. Still have the dual stereo speakers, lightning connector. Very familiar kind of look, feel, and vibe as previous generations with a few minor changes. You know, we still have the headphone jack. Apple's kind of going after the education sector again, which is a bold move because that's where they were at in the beginning. Basically, it's an iPad. I know, it's $329, 32 gig model. Now I have an iPhone 7 Plus. The great thing is, both this new iPad and the 7 Plus are gold, and they share the same processor now. So the new iPad 32 gig or 128 gig, they start at $329 or $429 respectively without cellular. You can play Fortnite. That's what I'm all about. A little bit of video? Sure, let's watch a little Pee-wee's Big Adventure on Netflix. Now the crazy thing is, well, that's pretty good sound. Now typical iPad, still very reflective display there, trying to simulate kind of what it would be like in the daylight, and we dim the lights there in the studio, and you can see kind of restores balance back to the colors and the screen. Now kind of a different demonstration, you know, with simulating lighting. As you can see, the display does still get a little washed out, typical of the iPad. But bang for your buck for $329, that's what this is about, with support, you know, for Apple Pencil now, which is very cool. We're running a little OpenGL test, you know, we don't want to bore you too much with tech specs, graphics, but we were rocking about 41 frames per second on the OpenGL test. Geekbench confirms what we thought was inside. You know, we've got that A10 chip, and we got some pretty good scores. You know, we got the bump in processor with the A10, the same as what's in the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, so you are getting an upgrade. Plus the ability with, like I said, now supports Apple Pencil. So definitely for those that are needing that, it's a good value at $329. For myself, it makes an amazing tool for my DJI Phantom 3, so I can have a larger display now instead of using my iPhone 7 Plus. So think of the new iPad as a, you know, glorified, bigger iPhone 7 Plus. Still got 1 pound of weight. You still got the Apple ecosystem. You still have 10 hours of usage. All in all, bang for your buck, $329 still remains the best tablet on the market. That's my opinion. What are your thoughts on the new $329 iPad? Let me know in the comments below. But guys, this is Ryan Rig with Fast Electronic Lounge. Thanks for watching. Please click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Leave some feedback down below. Subscribe if you are not for new and upcoming content. And make sure you follow on social media. We'll see you in the next video.